Hey, today I am making a sweet and savory waffle breakfast. This is everything I'm going to be using. Let's get to the first step. Okay, so today I'm making two different kinds of waffles. One's going to be a dark chocolate and one is going to be a cinnamon roll waffle. Now, I never tried to make a cinnamon roll waffle, but we're going to see how it turns out. So for the first one, I'm just going to add some dark chocolate chips. And I like to mix my chips into the batter because it gets all up and through the waffle instead of just laying on one side once you put it into the waffle maker. And for the other one, I just melted some butter, added some sugar and some ground cinnamon, and that's gonna make our cinnamon roll waffle. And that is it. Here are the waffles once they are done. Now I'm just gonna finish up my tater tots and we are ready to eat. Okay, this is where the savory part comes in. I'm gonna toss my tater tots. They are still really hot. I'm gonna toss my tater tots in a little minced garlic and some Parmesan and parsley. I'm making kind of like garlic Parmesan tater tots. And it's gonna go really well with the sausage that I made. While everything was cooking, I was cooking my sausage at the same time. So this is just some Parmesan cheese and a little bit of parsley. Okay, here is everything all done. I got my waffles, sausage, tater tots, and I decided to make some cheesy scrambled eggs at the last minute. Let's put it all together. And here is the finished breakfast. Chocolate chip waffles, cinnamon roll waffles, cheesy scrambled eggs, sausage, and garlic Parmesan tater tots. Yes. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.